Hey everyone, this is Shoaib and welcome to SV Info. In this video, we are going to find the refractive index of. First of all, take a white paper and place a prism and draw boundaries like this. Draw a perpendicular to PQ. Draw an angle with 45 degrees to the perpendicular of PQ. This angle is 45. This is an incident ray. Now mark 2 points on the incident right and imagine these are pins and place it on the point. And now place the prism carefully on the border. Now, seeing from this side, we have to put 2 more pins on this side where the 4 pins has to be in the straight line. You can see now the 4 pins are in straight line. Now remove this prism and draw a straight line through these points to the prism. Now draw a perpendicular line to PR. Now imagine this point is X and this point is Y, and now join the X and Y. This is an rarer medium and this is an denser medium. When the ray coming from rarer medium to denser medium, the refracted ray bends towards normal. This is a normal and bends towards normal. This is a refraction ray. After refraction, the light goes like this. This ray is called emergent ray. The angle between normal and emergent ray is angle of emergent. Now if we extend the incident ray and also an emergent ray, we get this angle. This angle is called angle of deviation. And we have the angle of prism. The angle of prism is taken as this, PQ and PR. The angle between PQ and PR we taken as angle of prism. Now we have to measure the angle of deviation and the angle of prism. After measuring, we got the angle of prism is 60 degrees and angle of deviation is 35 degrees. We have the formula to find the refractive index of prism. N is equals to sin A plus D by 2 by sin A by 2. Here A is 60 and D is 35. We substitute these values in this formula. We get sin 60 plus 35 by 2 by sin 60 by 2. If we solve this, we get 1.474. This is an refractive index of prism. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to SV Info.